Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. Hi there birdies, and welcome back to another little video. And would you just look at this pair? What a couple of smoothies. These are Racket-tailed Treepies. And just look at those bright blue eyes. What a stunning bird. The Racket-tailed Treepie is a glossy black corvid with a long broad-tipped tail and brilliant blue eyes. The plumage shines glossy blue-green in good light. A small black mask encloses the eye and the bill case. Not to be confused with the Racket-tailed Treepie, which is darker-eyed and has a tail shaped like a chainsaw. What a great description. And the Racket-tail, of course, is a much rarer and more difficult bird to see. This one likes to clamber and jump through vegetation, usually in pairs or small flocks, and likes to frequent open lowland, forest hills and forest edges. And again, these ones were found in my garden. So, as we always say, if you would like to find these birds, learn the sound. So, here goes. The Racket-tailed Treepie is a breeding resident bird here, and earlier this year I did actually have a pair nesting in my garden. But unfortunately they were disturbed by something and went elsewhere. Hopefully next year. Although these birds are regular every day at my pond, they only come down to bathe and to drink, but never seem to feed. But anyway, it's always a great sight to see. Right, well, that's it for another little short video on the Racket-tailed Treepie. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe and all that. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.